this is how to create a TikTok account. You can just search for TikTok on your Apple Store or Play Store, or go to tiktok.com to search for TikTok and then click on it. Once it has downloaded and installed, we're just going to open it. You have to choose your interest, something that you are interested in, so that TikTok can recommend videos to you. We can skip this and come back to it later. And if we click on start watching, is you can literally use TikTok to start watching videos. Like, you don't need to create an account to consume the content, but to create an account, just come to this profile here. Then it's going to tell you to either log in with any of this option or sign up here. So we want to sign up, we want an account. So click on sign up. You can use your phone number to sign up, your phone number or email. You can use your Facebook account, or you can use your Google account. We'll use our email address to sign up. Type in your email address, you just click on continue. You'll be required to create a password, and the password must have at least 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number, and it also has to have 1 special character. So what that means is that you have to create a password that has letters, numbers, and special characters, at least 1 of each. You can click on next. So right here, this is where you set your birthday. They are telling you your birthday would not be shown publicly, so you click on next. So right here, it's asking you to create your nickname, right? Click on confirm. So that's it. This is the sound that we're hearing, the go. So an account has been created. This is it. Then John 008. We don't like this. So we're going to go to edit profile to change the username. So we can change the username to this. If it's available, they are saying it's not available. So let's see if this one is available. This is available, and we're going to click on save. And note, if you change your username, you cannot change it again until after 30 days. So you can only change your username once every 30 days. Then you can come here to change your name if you want to change your name, but right now we can't change it because it can only be changed every 7 days. So I have to wait again for another 7 days to change that. Then to add a bio, this is where to add a bio. We have a bio here. We have that what we copied from Instagram. The bio we copied from Instagram. You can paste more than 80 characters, so it's quite limited to what you can paste. So you click on save, and there we have it. So to add a profile picture, just click on this icon here and select from gallery and set it to how you want and click on save post. So if you check this, it's going to be post on your story, because TikTok has stories. So it's going to post on your TikTok story, and it's going to post on your we're going to like change your DP. So we just want it to just the DP. We don't want it to be posted on the story. So we just click on save. That has been saved. So you can connect your Instagram account here, connect your YouTube account, but we're not going to be doing that. So just select it and follow the prompt. And this is what we have. To find people, you can just use this search bar here to find someone you want to follow or connect with, and then you can go ahead to keep watching different videos that you like. So if you go to this icon here, you can see some creators tools that you can use to get insights. You can also change your TikTok account to a professional account, but there are some steps that you have to follow. So we're not going to go into that, but you can literally use this normal one for even a business. It's good to go. So if you want to upload a video and edit it and add filters and the rest, this is where you do all of that. So that's pretty much it for TikTok.